Hey guys, welcome back to the second part of Laws of Universe. So let's pick up where we left off. The seventh law of the universe is called Law of Compensation. Basically, this law states that every action has an equal reaction. Basically, what it means is that whatever you throw out to the universe, you get back in return. The more positive you feel, the more positive manifestations occur around you. The eighth law is called the law of relativity. So, according to this law, everything around us is neutral. But what matters is our perception. How do we look at a certain thing and how do we feel when we think of it in a certain way? Everything in this world is neutral and our perception actually puts it in a negative box or a positive box. So, if you choose to see positivity in every little thing that happens around you, then your perception is turning into a positive momentum, which in turn will help you to manifest anything and everything you want. The ninth law is called the law of polarity. So every coin has two faces. So everything is negative and positive. Just like the last law, you have to focus on the positive of everything that happens to you so you can manifest everything you want. And unless and until you've actually gone through the bad times, you will never actually enjoy or actually appreciate the good times. You need to appreciate the bad times because they help you to enjoy the positive times even more. So contrast is very necessary in life, because how will you know the difference between black and pitch black and white and black if you have never seen black in your life? So the black represents negativity or negative things that have happened around you, and white represents the positive things or the enjoyment, excitement, satisfaction, happiness that is happening around you. The next law is called the law of rhythm. So to understand this law, you need to understand law of vibration. And law of vibration, in this law, every vibration has a rhythm. And you need to control the rhythm to control the vibration. Vibration cannot stop. It is there, always there. And you just have to catch a perfect rhythm, the positive rhythm, the satisfied rhythm, to actually manifest everything that you want in your life. And you have to throw the rhythm of vibration out there as a feeling. How would you feel if you have everything you want? How satisfied, how happy, how positive would you be? The next law is called the law of gender. So there are two genders, as we all know, masculine and feminine. So society has this very weird thinking that masculine gender is the stronger one, which is not true. You need both of these genders, both of these energies inside you to be the best person you have to be, or you can be. So don't say I am completely masculine or don't say I am completely feminine. You need both. Best of both worlds will help you to see everything more clearly, to feel better, to have every feeling that you want to have. Because we say that, crying, don't cry because you're a boy. But sometimes even crying feels good. It feels good to remove all the depression or all the anger inside by crying. So don't fall into one category. Enjoy the best of both worlds to feel better. The last law is called the law of never-ending energy. It is also called the law of perpetual transmutation of energy, but I have renamed it for, to make it easier. So basically this law states that the energy is always fluctuating. Energy is something that cannot be created nor be destroyed. It can only change from one form to another. So if you have, for example, 30 amounts of positive energy and you stick with someone who is very negative, your the amount of positive energy you will feel inside is depleting. So it is not going away, it is turning negative. The more you understand this, the better you can understand the momentum of the energy that is happening inside you. And in turn, that will help you to actually feel positive all the time. As soon as you see the negative momentum increasing, you can change it. But as soon as you see it, once it is already in a good momentum, no way you can stop it. So just take a rest and try it out again. Because all the doors that you think that the universe is sending you are not open for like one day. It is not a one time thing, or like one time password it is sending you to unlock everything you want. All the doors are always open. If you feel inside that you're negative, just let it go. Let it be. Enjoy it too, if you can. If you can't, just sleep it off, or just sit down or do something that makes you feel better. Because once the negative momentum has caught on, you need to stop thinking, because every negative thought that comes into you is helping the negative momentum to catch on, to have that speed that you cannot then turn it into a negative. Crashing from a car which is if you're driving a car at 5 kilometers per hour speed and you crash into a tree, it won't do much damage. But if the momentum is more, like 100 kilometer hour speed, then you know what happens. Anyways, that's it for today. So I'm going to do a deep dive on all of these laws once we are done. Because we are done with this video, and now that I have given you an introduction of all these laws, I'll give a deeper dive for all of them. Anyways, if you have any question, please comment in the comment box. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more, and have fun. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the second part of